show you what it looked like from our night scope camera during those air raids. It didn't last very long, no more than 30 minutes of intense firing. During the attacks, cruise missiles flew directly over the capital, but of course we were unable to see or indeed hear them. At one stage we saw a surface-to-air missile take off, presumably fired in an attempt to down one of the incoming Tomahawks. But the bulk of the capital's air defense system was confined to conventional ACAT fire like this. The Iraqis used similar techniques during the Desert Storm operations 2 years ago. The anti-aircraft batteries can theoretically shoot down the subsonic missiles, which fly at low altitude and well within the range of such ground fire.